Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little cartoon beaver. And before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw, and I would love to show you how to draw whatever it is. And also feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, or also feel free to share this video with a friend. All right, so let's get started with our cute little beaver. So I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna do 2 ovals. One there, give a little bit of space and do the other one. So inside those shapes, I'm going to do like a curve there for the inside of the eye, and a oval and a little circle, and I'm going to do that in both oval and little circle. All right, so next let's do a little nose. It's going to be like an upside down triangle shape. I'm going to put a little, kind of like a little oval inside that, because this is going to be where the light is hitting the nose, so it's like a little shiny spot on his nose. Now we can do the mouth. It's going to be like 2 curves, so it's really going to be kind of like the number 3 pushed on its side. Now we can do beaver tooth, great big tooth, a little line going down the middle. And now let's do the top of the head, just a little curve. He's got a little ear right here and another one on the other side. And then we can come on down here, give him like a little cheek, like that, and little bit of face right here, and maybe he's got like little blushy marks here under the eyes by the cheeks, just to make him an extra cute little beaver. And we can come on down here and give him a little paw and another little one. So he's got his two little paws. And now let's bring down these lines. And we just curve that. It's got a bit of a rounded shape. And we can give him a little foot and another little foot. And let's give him his tail. Great big tail. And we can do lines going on a slant. And then we can do the other way. All right, so we've got our cute little beaver all drawn. So I'm going to start coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our cute little beaver drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.